How to play Roblox on PC and laptop. Hello guys, this is One Click Finance and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about how you can play Roblox in your laptop or PC. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step is you'll need to open up your web browser or your Roblox, whichever you prefer. So you can actually just go to roblox.com and create an account and log in from there as well. Or you can simply go to the Roblox app completely and log in into your account. So after you log in, you can then start playing with the games available. You can see a lot of different games available right here, and whichever you want to play, you can just click on it to play. It's really simple. The controls are also really simple. The WASD key are the basic movement buttons, whereas the 1, 2, 3, 4 are the buttons which you can use to change between items. So the space bar is basically for jumping, and yeah, it's all the basic stuff. So whichever game you play, the controls are going to be quite similar. So if you open up any game, you can also see the controls in the game itself. So I'm just opening up a random game. So let's let this load. And after you're in a game, you will notice that most of the controls are really same and similar. So you can tap on the Roblox icon on the top left and basically check out the settings. And again, if you keep on scrolling, if you go to help section, you will find the controls for the game. You can see most of the game's controls are really similar with the up down keys and the equipment tools and stuff. Only few will be different. So you can really catch up after you start playing, and you can start playing it really easily. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.